Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what is .com, .net, and .in at the end of the website name, and why it is used for? Don't worry, we will explain you. It is an extension of domain name. The domain name Facebook.com consists of the website's name, Facebook, and the domain name extension, .com. When a company, or a person, purchases a domain name, they're able to specify which server the domain name points to. You have seen many popular websites have .com in the end of the website name. The .com in the domain name indicates a commercial site. This can cover business websites, or websites that want to make money online, or personal websites, blogs, portfolios, and more. Net domain extension is short for network. It is mainly used by Internet service. You could use it if you offer Internet, networking, database hosting, email hosting, or similar services providers. Network services, online technology companies and database providers. Since it was designed for web service companies, SlideShare.net is the example for net extension. Org domain stands for organization, and is primarily used for non-profit websites, such as charities, NGOs, open source projects, and educational platforms. Wikipedia.org is the example for .org extension.